Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about this blender that we got into the mail a few weeks ago. I've already tried it out and I absolutely love it. This thing is awesome. There's a couple of cool qualities about it that I absolutely love. Like, so right here, this snaps into place, just like this. And you're able to like put the ice and stuff just right here. It also comes with these other two attachments, and it also comes with a manual that is step-by-step and tells you exactly what everything is used for. So I'm gonna make a little smoothie. It's super cool. This is how you turn it on. It has different levels. It has a pulse. And this thing is super heavy duty. And I have already made pasta sauce, I've made smoothies, and I've also made milkshakes. And the possibilities are absolutely endless. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna make a little smoothie and show you guys how easy it is. Cool quality is it has already pre-settings for smoothie and beverages right here. All right, now that we got our drinks mixed in and our ice, it's properly secured, so I'm just gonna put it. I'm gonna add some more ice. So this thing is super powerful, and now we have a delicious drink ready to serve up for the summer day. Thank you so much for watching my video. I highly recommend this, and I hope my video helped. Thank you.